Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, chrome rear bumper, daytime running lamps, speed control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.